Welcome to the Skilling Handbook, your comprehensive guide to mastering the intricate field of underwater domain awareness, or UDA. In this dynamic video, we'll explore how this handbook serves as a beacon for individuals seeking to dive deep into the underwater world. At its core, the Skilling Handbook is more than just a manual. It's a roadmap to skill development in UDA. From fundamental principles to advanced concepts, this handbook offers a holistic understanding of the underwater domain. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding enthusiast, there's something for everyone in this handbook. With diverse courses tailored to different skill levels and interests, you can chart your own path towards mastery. But what sets this handbook apart is its meticulous mapping strategies. By aligning courses with job opportunities, educational standards, and stakeholder needs, it ensures a seamless integration into both academic and professional pathways. Hands-on learning lies at the heart of the Skilling Handbook. Through practical exercises and experiential training, learners develop the skills and confidence needed to tackle real-world challenges in UDA. Moreover, the handbook fosters international collaboration and cooperation. By providing a standardized framework for skill development, it facilitates knowledge exchange and collective efforts towards responsible stewardship of underwater resources. Looking ahead, outreach, engagement, and sustainability are key principles guiding our journey. By reaching out to diverse audiences, fostering meaningful interactions, and sustaining momentum in skill development efforts, we can create a skilled and dynamic global workforce ready to safeguard our planet's invaluable underwater ecosystems. The Skilling Handbook is not just a resource, it's a catalyst for change. With its diverse modules, strategic mapping strategies, and global perspective, it empowers individuals and organizations to make a meaningful impact in the field of underwater domain awareness. So, let's dive in and embark on this transformative journey together.